Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix the game error can't sign in on Xbox console. Method 1. Sign out and sign in back. First, we need close the game by press Xbox button on the controller. After that navigate to the game you want close. Next, press menu button on the controller, then select quit. Now, just go to profile and system, then select sign out. Restart the Xbox console and sign in again. Start your game and check if are you able to log in yet. Method 2. Clearing the alternative MAC address. Go to Settings. Go to General. Select Network Settings. Now, select Advanced Settings. Select Alternate MAC address. Select Clear. Restart your console, then check if the issue persists. Method 3. Use manual alternate port selection. Go to Settings. Go to Network Settings. Go to Advanced Settings. Go to Alternate Port Selection. Select Manual. Now, choose next one down in list. Select Continue, then check if are you able to log in yet. If not working, please come back there. Then try one by one port in list. Method 4. Turning off the QoS tagging settings. Go to Settings. Select Network Settings. Select Advanced Settings. Select QoS tagging settings. Turn both off then and restart Xbox console. Try relaunch the game and check if the can't sign error persists. Method 5. Use manual DNS. On the home screen, select Settings. Select General. Select Network Settings. Select Advanced Settings. Select DNS Settings. Select Manual. Here, I will use Cloudflare DNS. I will type 1.1.1.1 as the primary IPv4 DNS. And type 1.0.0.1 for the secondary IPv4 DNS. Additionally, you can also try with other DNS such as Google DNS, OpenDNS, etc. Once done, press the menu button on your controller to save, then see if the problem is fixed. Method 6. Stay up to date. The Xbox system software update is important because it helps to fix bugs and improve the performance of your Xbox. So, if the can't sign error is caused by an incompatibility issue or even system file corruption, updating the Xbox system software can resolve that. Otherwise, you should check for a game's updates and version manually. Outdated versions can be problematic, and it's wise to resolve the issue sooner rather than later. Method 7. Enable DHCP on the router. Open a web browser on a laptop or desktop computer, or a mobile device. Log in to your router's setup page. You will see the setup page on the back of your router, on the box it came with, or on the manual. Go to the Network Setup or LAN Setup section. Locate the DHCP setting. Check if it is enabled. If disabled, change the setting to enabled. Save the changes. Restart your router for the changes to take effect. Method 8. Power cycle the router. To do that, you need unplug the modem and router from the power outlet. Wait at least 15 seconds. Plug the modem back into the power outlet first. Wait 1 to 2 minutes, then it's time to power on the router. Wait for all panel lights on your cable modem to become green on before testing your internet connection. Connect to the network with your console and test the internet connection. It's always better to test this by connecting with an Ethernet cable if possible. Method 9. Try connecting to a different internet network or the router. If you have more than one router, try replacing the router you are using with another router. We need to do this to eliminate the possibility that the problem is caused by the router's strict security features. If that's not possible, try connecting your console to a different internet network, such as a neighbor's wireless network, mobile data, LTE, 4G, 5G, etc. After that, start your game. If it works, then just switch connection back to your router. Method 10. Check server status. Just press Xbox button on the controller. After that, navigate to Xbox support. Select Xbox status. If you see any services with alerts, expand the service, scroll down to notifications, and sign in to receive a message when the service is up and running again. Method 11. Uninstall and reinstall the game. From the home menu, highlight the game you want to delete, press the menu button, then select Manage Game and Add-ons. Select Uninstall All. If the game isn't on your home screen, go to My Games and Apps. Then highlight the game you want to delete. Press the menu button and select Uninstall. During the process, don't forget to restart your console. The fix works because every time you download the game, it includes the latest version. It can take up to several hours depending upon the size of the game. For fast downloads, make sure you have a reliable internet connection. Finally, factory reset your router. This is the last solution you can do now if the above methods don't work for you. To do that, make sure keep your router plugged in. Next, find your router's reset button. This will be on the back or the bottom of your router. Use a paperclip or similar object to hold down the reset button for 30 seconds. Release the button. Wait for the router to power back on, then start your game and check if you can log in. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.